Hello everyone and welcome back to part 5 of the Red Polo series. In this video we'll be doing some smaller fault finding, like fixing the indicators, changing some relays and also changing the headlight. As you may have noticed, it was smashed, so we bought a new one. So these are the new parts we've got. This is the indicator relay, which will fix the hazards and indicators, and this is the windscreen wiper relay. We don't know if this will fix it, as we did try the windscreen wiper relay off of the other Polo and it still didn't work, so there's probably something else wrong with them, but at least it'll have a working relay. And this is the new headlight we've bought, which will go here. As you can see, this is smashed, so we'll change that and it'll be matching with the other one as well. They're both Bosch, so both lights will work. Before we start, I'd like to thank Handmade by Darren for this awesome t-shirt. As you can see, it's got the channel banner, and on the back it's got the channel handle. We might start a merch shop soon, so stay tuned for that, and you might be able to buy your own shirt just like this one. So let's change this indicator relay. It goes in this way, give it a bit of a push, and now the indicators and hazards will work. Right, let's first try the hazard lights. Get out. Oh yeah, while I'm here, we also fixed this. As you may remember, it did not work. All it was a loose bulb, so that was an easy fix. But now you can see hazard lights are all working, including at the back, so that is very good. And now if I quickly turn on the indicators, oh yeah, the dashboard light works. That's good. And this one works, that one works, and all the way around the back that one works as well. So that's one job done. Indicators. Right, now wiper relay is going on. These are so tight. There we go. As I said before, this might not fix it, but at least the relay will work. I said it probably won't work, still try it anyway, just in case. Yeah, no wipers, so there must be something else wrong with them. Okay, now for the headlight change. So just gonna pull out these wires. That's one, and God, this one's tight. Right, twist. Oh yeah, twist that and pull that off. There's the bulb. And now I've got to take the grill off. To take off the grill, all you have to do is press those with a flat screwdriver and then it will just pull out like that. When you've got all of those, you can just pull off the grill. Might be a bit finicky, but this is the way. So to take off the headlight, there's a screw up there, one down here and one on the other side there. You'll not be able to see it, but you'll see them. So let's take these screws off to remove the old headlight. There's one. Oh, there goes that one. There's the other one. And there is the third. So now this should hopefully pop off. There we go. And now you have a headlight. Okay, we've put the bulb from the old headlight in this one, as we know it works. So just twist that like that, then line these holes up and put the rubber back on like that. And now the new headlight is ready to install. Installing the headlight is the same as taking it off. So we've gone and done that. Put the wires back in, so now we're going to reinstall the grill. Grill back on, now we're going to see if everything works. So there's the side lights, there's the low beam, and there's the high beam. Perfect. In the video, I want you to let us know what you think we should do with this car. Should we do the welding needed, or should we sell it as it is? Leave a comment below and tell us what you want us to do. Now I know I said that we'd probably do the welding on this car if people want us to. I am actually listing this for sale. If anyone is seriously interested in buying it, you can. We're looking for serious inquiries only. And if you are interested in buying the car, leave a comment below and I will send my email, so you can email me and we can talk further about buying the car. I'll just give you a quick look at the inside. As you can see, everything is original. In the back seats too, they're looking fresh. 89,000 miles on the dashboard. And if I quickly go into the boot, it's got the original wheel brace so you can get the wheels off, and a spare tyre, and under there is the original wheel jack as well. So all that good stuff in case you need it. Then if I go under the bonnet here, there's the 1 litre engine. Does run and drive as you've seen in the previous videos, but it does cut out, so that will need some work. And you will also need to do a bit of welding on this, especially with the rear valance. That's the worst bit, but I've seen they're pretty cheap to buy off of Heritage Parts, only £32 I think. You'll also need a new wheel arch and possibly sill, but the car is in surprisingly good condition other than the welding bits and all that. But yeah, as I said, if you are interested in buying the car, drop a comment and I will send you my email so you can talk to me, and then yeah, you can arrange to pick it up. £700 or best offer. Serious inquiries only, please. And we would love to see this thing back on the road instead of sitting on a scrap heap. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and as I was saying, if you seriously are interested in buying this car, drop a comment and I'll reply with my email. If no one wants the car, then we'll keep doing the work on it. We might possibly weld that back valance, which will hopefully make it sell easier. Also, I'm sorry it was quite a short video today. As you can see, it kind of got dark towards the end and we had to be somewhere. And we also did everything we needed to do really, so there was nothing else to do in that video. Anyways guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.